Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to check this QUAI network airdrop. This is 100% free guys and it's very easy to do. So this is one of those airdrops that you really want to do. I'm going to cover a little bit about the project like always. I'm going to tell you why it's already confirmed the airdrop and exactly what you need to do in all the steps with all the answers that you are going to require to be one of the eligible users for this airdrop. This is very easy to do. It's there already a step-by-step guide here, so I will cover all that for you. And of course, all the steps are going to be in the description of the video and in the pinned comment. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well today's video this is for QUAI network. This is another reinventing blockchain revolutionizing money. The particularity of this project, this is a proof of work 2.0. They want to reimagining the capabilities of proof of work. So basically it's another blockchain ABA compatible. And many people has been talking about QUAI. They are still in progress in testnet. And if you look in the documentation, official documentation of QUAI network, you are going to see here that they have this testnet incentivized. So they already have part of the token economics that they are going to launch, a part for the airdrop. So this was already confirmed and is everything transparent about the airdrop that they are going to do. So in today's video we are going to cover how to do that step by step. And guys, because many of you have problems with the links on the Google Sheets, we are going to change that now, and now I am going to post the video on my website cryptocurrencystate.net, and you are going to see, for example, with the say network airdrop, all the step-by-steps are going to be here, and you are going to be able to click the links here very easily. I don't know why the Google Sheet is difficult for you. You just need to click file and download it, and you can do everything that you want with the document. But many of you have been asking me about the different issues that you have. So now you are going to find in the link on the description all these steps, but in the post of my website. So here you are going to be able to see the video. You can go to YouTube also and see it, and you are going to have the step-by-steps here in the post. So the same that we are doing with the Google Sheet, now you are going to see it in my website. So this airdrop, I need to tell again, this is a free because the only way to participate here is using your social media. So now let's go to the step by step. So the social media rewards program on a variety of social platforms, including Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, TikTok, and Instagram. And of course, you need to have Discord. So in order to do this airdrop, you need to follow the steps on this link. This is an official link of the blog of QUAI Network. And this is the article. So here is explain what is QUAI, how to get involved. So from here you need to start doing all what it's saying here on the social media reward program. So starting by joining to Discord, so you can click here or in the link of the step-by-step. That will send you to the official QUAI Discord invite link. So once you are there, like always, you need to verify here your account. You click begin and you are going to be sent here. You need to do this sum and put the answer here and you are going to be verified. I'm already verified, so I have access to everything here. And after you do that, you need to do one thing in the Discord channel, which is validate the account. And when you do that, you need to get your citizen role in the channel. So you go to the channel, get citizen role, and you need to answer a couple of questions. The correct answers for those questions are these ones. So here you go to the citizen role, get citizen role here, and you click citizen role, and you are going to start beginning here and answering all the questions. Remember, all the answers are going to be here on the link of my website. So the first one is A. So you click A here and you can say that says correct. The process of splitting database horizontally to spreadsheet the load. Next question. And you can continue doing this. The second one is a B. So there are 10 questions. So you do this. And after that, you are going to have a message that says that you have the role of citizen. So that is the first thing that you need to do, complete this 10 questions with the answers that I put there. And to confirm that you have the role, you can go to this channel, put Xi'an, and you can see here that you are a citizen because you have this logo here. So you can see that you are a citizen already. So go to Xi'an and you can put Xi'an and you will see that, that you are a citizen. So once you do that, you already are a citizen there. You need to follow them on Twitter. So just click here and you are going to be sent to the Twitter account. You click and follow them on Twitter. And after connecting to the Discord and Twitter, you need to visit this link, which is the QUAI dashboard. This is the link, I put it here, the dashboard for QUAI Network. And that dashboard will lead you to this. So here you connect with your Discord account here and with your Twitter account here. And here you are going to see how many QUAI tokens you already earned, 7.5 here. Because I was starting to do the different things on the social media. For YouTube, TikTok, Reddit, Instagram, you can see here that says coming soon. I already checked on the Discord and you can do all the tasks for all the different social media, and once they update this, you are going to automatically have everything in place and get your rewards. So now that you have Twitter and you have Discord and you are connecting here on your QUAI network, you can see that says citizen 1.5x multiplier. This is appearing here because we did that citizen stuff in Discord. If you didn't do that, you need to do that step in order to have this multiplier. You really need that. And now you can continue with this. So first, Twitter rewards. Following QUAI network, it will give you 5 QUAI tokens. And then you can follow each of the members of the team here. So you click here and you are going to go directly to each Twitter, and that will give you 5 QUAI tokens per follow. Then you can reply to a QUAI network tweet. You can do up to 2 a day until the post reach 7 days old, that give you 1 QUAI. Then liking and retweeting, making a standalone tweet mentioning QUAI network. And then YouTube rewards. You go and subscribe to the YouTube page, clicking here, that give you 5 QUAI. Liking and commenting, Reddit the same, you just need to go there, making a unique post that give you 5 QUAI. And for TikTok, I recommend you this because it will give you 5 QUAI if you follow the TikTok account of QUAI, and then another 5 for each of the followers of the team members. And same here for Instagram. So after all that, you already have many of the tokens on your rewards. They are going to be updated here on your dashboard once you can connect your accounts in the different places here. So for now, you can do all the tasks, and as soon as you get this available, you are going to automatically get your rewards there. So how do I check my rewards? That is in the dashboard. And when you get the rewards, you are going to have it on the mainnet launch. That is still some time apart from now because we are in the development and in the testnet phase. So when they launch it in the main launch, you are going to receive your tokens. Of course, read everything here and the disclaimers and all these documents. But basically that is what you need to do. All what is specified there with your social media. So guys, that is all for this video. This is very quick and easy video to do. And remember that the link on the description with these answers and these links is going to be in the description. That will send you to my crypto webpage. This is from the yesterday's video, say network airdrop. You also can check that. And now I'm going to post this for this current video. And remember guys, that if you go to my video section, I am doing airdrops every day. And you can see this video how to organize your airdrops, and in that description you are going to have access to this document. This is an airdrop organizer, an Excel file, so you can download this and follow this in the link if you want to be up to date with all the different airdrops that we are doing. Guys, that is all for this video. QUAI network airdrop free, very easy to do. And please, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notification. Follow me in Twitter at CryptoSystate because I post there things that are not in my videos. And if you appreciate this content, please share this video with any of your friends in any of your social media so they can participate in the airdrop and you help me to grow the expansion of my channel. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.